crying little.
This guy creates a robotic arm that does everything you do from sensors. Say hello to the world's first ballerina robot, showing off her dance moves. At an all-time high, this robotic kangaroo can jump at 10 feet in the air. This machine is able to detect red from blue. This glove was built to stop a fan from its spin mid-air.
First try! Yeah! Yeah!
This man is Rob Spence, and he makes films. No, literally, his body makes films. After a shooting accident when he was 9, Rob had to have his eye surgically removed. But after joking with friends about having a robotic cyborg one installed instead, documentary maker Rob actually went and did it.
Pretty much anyone who loses an eye will make a joke. At least I should get a camera put in there. It's not a wacky, out-of-this-world concept.
Years of hard work and research have left him with this, a tiny camera implanted in his eye socket, which transmits video wirelessly to screens, TVs, hard drives and cameras. And it's opened up a whole new perspective for him, even getting him offers of, unsurprisingly, secret camera work.
One very high-up news executive said, would I like to go to Iraq with my prosthetic eye and see what I could see there? Because sometimes when you have a giant camera, it's not such a great idea in a war zone.
I recently travelled around. But instead, sci-fi fan Rob went around the world making a documentary on cyborgs alongside the makers of the computer game Deus Ex. That game features a cyborg from the future. Here's one from today.
Wait. If you would like a shout out as well, make sure you click the icon and subscribe and turn on post notifications. Also, check out yesterday's video. See you there.